Today we're going to eat lots of vegetables, lots and lots of vegetables. So today I'm actually calling this the plant-based edition because we're actually going to be vegan. Now I'm not saying that I'm a vegan full-time, I'm not even vegetarian full-time, but I used to be a vegetarian a long time ago for quite a few years. And one of the problems that I had when I was a vegetarian is I would substitute things like pasta, or I would make an unturkey sandwich, or buy kind of processed foods. And my doctor finally told me, look, if you're going to be a vegetarian, you have to eat vegetables. So I think the same thing applies to vegans. You don't really want to eat a lot of processed food. So today we're going to concentrate mostly on vegetables. We're going to make a nice hearty breakfast with fruit and some whole grains. And then we're going to make a nice vegetable soup for lunch, and I have a dinner planned with some rice and some vegetables again, and they're all the things that are in season right now. It's a lot of root vegetables and some broccoli and like a lot of the squashes and things like that. They're all in their peak season right now.